It's time for another Ipsy unboxing. This time for Ipsy, it's a little bit different, and that's because they had a promotion where if you sign up for the yearly subscription, you get a little bonus gift. So that's what I did this year. And for the gifts, it came in this cute little pouch. This is what they usually put their refreshments in. And it smells absolutely heavenly. It smells like a lemon dream. That's the best way to describe it. And I love lemon. From the refreshments line, and it's called It's a Vibe Candle Citrus Spritz. So, sounds like it's definitely a lemony scent. Here's what the candle itself looks like. It's so pretty. So the wick itself has 50 plus hours. It is a lead-free wick, and it has a long-lasting fragrance. I cannot wait to burn this. It smells so good. It literally reminds me of like a clean lemony scent. It smells amazing. Let's see what we got. Cute. Very cute. So I already see one product because it's not inside the bag. Here's what the bag looks like this month. Super pretty. I like that pink and purple design. It has a nice little heart clasp. So the theme this month is You Are Loved. So cute, of course. I mean Valentine's Day. Oh, my fingernails match. Inside the card, it says, sometimes you need a reminder of how special and beautiful you are. We tapped our guest glam bag designer and self-care advocate, Dime Jones, to help you practice the art of self-love. Cut out her affirmations, tape them to your bathroom mirror or wherever, and make reciting them a part of your daily routine. Oh, that's so cute. So here's a little card of affirmations. And the affirmation says, I am the creator of the world I want to live in every day. I will take up space. I will create an environment that is healthy and whole. I will see beauty in my inner self and not just my appearance. I will do the work. I will show up for myself every day. I really like that. And it says that the Glam bag has a value of up to $50. Okay, so since the first thing that we see is the brush, let's talk about the brush. It is from Love, Craft, and Beauty. Here's the handle. It is a super soft brush. It is a full size and it values $15. It says get the perfect glow every time with this highlighter brush. Its tapered shape makes it perfect for precision blending, whether you're using powder, cream, or liquid formulas. It says to lightly blend your highlighter with the tip of the brush over the desired areas you want to accentuate. It's totally vegan and cruelty-free. That's amazing. Let's see what's next, shall we? Our next product is Grow Long, a leave-in conditioner by Mark Anthony. It says that it is 1.7 fluid ounces and it's a deluxe sample. Use a quarter-sized amount on wet or damp hair from roots to end. Comb through and leave in, style as directed. And it's totally cruelty-free. It also detangles, reduces breakage, frizz, and split ends. I mean, I just got my hair cut. I prefer my hair short, so I'm going to be saving this for my daughter. She wants to grow her hair out, and she has a huge issue with tangles in her hair and knots. So I think this is going to be great for her. All right, let's see what's next in our bag of goodies. Looks like eyeshadow. I like that they put bubble wrap around it to protect the product. So we have Wake Up Call, Unfiltered Beauty Co. That looks really pretty. It's called Morning Brew. So here's what it looks like out of the packaging. Oh, these are so pretty. I mean, I love neutrals. So this is valued at $20 and it is a full size. It says build, blend, and bring out the best of your eyes with this buttery eyeshadow palette that is inspired by the founder's love for her morning cup of joe. You'll love how fresh these eyeshadows stay on all day and night without changing in color or fading. Plus they're infused with vitamin E for smoothness and hydration. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and doesn't oxidize. I cannot wait to try this. I will definitely be using this soon. Here is the next thing I pulled out. Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. It is an 8 ml deluxe sample. It says, wake up to bright and beautiful skin with help from this overnight mask. A cocktail of yuzu. It has 3 times the vitamin C of any other citrus fruit. Niacinamide and retinol work together to help soothe your stressed out and dull looking complexion. Use this as the last step in your skincare routine at night. It's dermatologist tested and contains no parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrance, or synthetic color. I will be using this tonight. It says to use 3 to 5 times a week. I really want to use vitamin C, but every time I use it, it makes me break out. I'm hopeful that this will work for me, so fingers crossed. All right, we're on to the last item. Cute little box. All right, we have a deluxe sample blush from Ciate London. For a radiant flush that glows all out, reach for this multi-dimensional blush highlighter hybrid. The silky powder texture and ultra-fine rosy pink pigments build and blend over makeup seamlessly with no streaks, harsh lines, or cakiness. It stays on for up to 12 hours too, so you can glow on and on. So pretty. It does say that a little goes a long way to use a light hand and sweep the blush across the apples of your cheeks. I want to put a little bit of this on right now. Ooh, a little does go a long way. Ooh, okay. That's pretty. Oh, I love that. That is super pretty. I really like that. And that was a very light hand. Like, wow. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, really like that blush highlight combo. I'm normally not one for powder highlighter or a blush highlighter combo, but super cute. That is in the color Matchmaker. Okay, I think that was a huge win for this month. That was probably one of my favorite bags. Everything that I got, I'm super excited to try, and I can't wait to. I'll definitely be keeping you updated on whether or not I like these items, so just keep an eye out for the future videos. I hope you guys have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.